Hi friends, welcome to Setu's Biology and Creativity. Today our creativity is how to make the traditional doll at home by using the waste material. So I think you may like this video. If the new ones are going to see my channel or visit my channel, please do subscribe for more videos. Let's start the process for making the traditional doll. Materials are the ring liquid bottle, the upper part of the ring liquid bottle, and the candle, matchbox, thread, and the white plaster. This type of the white plaster we required, and the scissor and the rubber bands. Few rubber bands are required, and any waste cloth like this. So polyester cloth here I was taken. These are the required materials. First we have to take the ring liquid upper part of the bottle and we have to shape the corners in a straight way with the help of the scissor. Let's shape. So we have shaped the corners. Now it is ready to stand properly. Its base was ready. Later we have to take the cloth and we have to fold it based on the length of the ring liquid bottle. So like this, how I am going to show in the video, like this we have to fold the cloth and we have to wrap the cloth to the bottle in a round way. In this way we have to wrap the cloth completely to the bottle and we have to tie it with the rubber band. Like this we have to wrap the cloth surrounding the bottle with the help of the thread I was tied on. Later we have to shape the cloths like this in this shape. So let's see how many parts are taken by me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. 6 shapes of this cloth was cut with the help of the scissor by using this cloth. So now I was lighting the candle and I am going to shape the edges of the cloths what I was cutted before. So finally I was shaped the edges of the cloth by using the candle like this. Right? Now I am going to stick that cloths to the bottom of the doll what we was prepared in before. Like this we have to stick. So finally I was fixed the shape of cloths to the bottom and I am going to tie that with the help of the thread like this. So tie it very tight. So finally our bottom part was ready. This is the bottom part of the traditional doll. Now it's time to make the upper part of the traditional doll, that is the face. Here I was taken the paper and I am going to wrap it. So in this way we have to wrap the paper and later we have to take the white color cloth and we have to cut it in that shape and later I am going to keep the paper in this. Let's see how I am going to. So just observe how I am going to wrap the cloth first. So let's see how I am going to wrap it and just turn it. After wrapping the cloth only we have to keep the wrapped paper in it. Just see how I am going to keep it in this. So after wrapping the cloth I am going to keep the wrapped paper in this. Here you can use other than the cotton also in the place of the paper. So finally I am going to make the face of the doll. In this way we have to tie the rubber band to the bottom of the cloth after keeping the paper in it. Later we have to tie the wire by wrapping the wires to each other and leaving the edges like this. Later with the help of the wire tape I am going to tie it to the wire like this. Let's see how I was tied. Later I am going to paste the tape to the edges like this. Just see how I was pasted to the other edge also. I was pasted the tape, white tape so our hands was ready. Now we have to keep that in the top of the bottom like this. Before fixing the hands, now I am going to insert the paper into the hole of the bottom. After holding, I am going to fix the hands to the upper part of the paper with the help of the white tape. Let's see how I was pasted. Later I am going to fix the face. So in this way I am going to keep the head at the top bottom, and I am going to fix it with the help of the thread like this. I was tied the thread to fix the head at the top. Later I was taken the two cloths with these sizes, and I am going to fold these cloths to the half. Now let's see how I am going to fold the cloths like this. The two cloths have to be folded. Let's see how I am going to fold. After folding the cloth, I am going to fix it, means I am going to dress up the doll to the top. Let's see how I am going to dress up. In this way, the next layer of the cloth was also kept in the opposite direction for dressing up the doll. In this way I am going to dress up with the two layers of the cloth. Later, with the help of the thread, I was tied it tightly. So let's see how I was tied. Later I am going to take the lace like this, and I was shaper cutting the edges. After cutting the edges, I am going to tie it on the thread where I was tied it beforely. So in this way I was tied the lace at that position, and I was tied it tightly to the back of the doll. Now the dress up of the doll was ready, right? Now I am going to make the hair by using the tape, black and the brown crayons. After making the crayons on it, I am going to paste the plaster on it. At the back also I am going to paste it like an hair. Now I am going to make an hair long with the help of the plaster, and I am going to tie it like an hair. Now the hair was ready, right? So now the hair of the doll was ready. Later I was tied the rubber band to the neck like this, and with the help of the sketchers or any marker, I was kept the eyes and the lips to the doll. Later I am going to paste the earrings, and beforely I was kept the hair, my old earring to the back of the hair like this, and with the help of these kundans I was make the earrings to the doll. So the earrings of the doll was looks good, right? So the earrings was ready for the doll. It looks very pretty, right? Later the remaining kundan was I am going to tie it to the neck by keeping the thread to it. Let us see how I will make it to the neck kundan. With the help of the thread, I am going to tie it to the band. I was fixed it to the neck. Later, with the help of the foundation, I was dressed up the face like a skin, and I was hold the hands to the in this way with the help of the plaster. And later, with the help of the red glitter, I was pasted to the neck part. About I was kept the band to it, and I am going to paste that glitter for making an means sticker, and also the lips for making it as a dog. I was used this red glitter, and later with the help of the eyeliner, here the eyeliner, and with the help of it I was darkened the hair, and I was made the fangs also. It is waterproof, and I was made the eyes and the eyebrows also. Now the complete traditional doll was ready, and now with the help of the sky blue, and I was made the decorative hairband like this. And now completely our traditional doll was ready. It is very easy to make, and from the waste materials I was made this. It looks very pretty, right? I think you like this video, and I wish you are going to try this in your homes by using the waste materials. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.